McDaniels. My files here say you, diddled some kittles.
It's funny. It's funny. It's funny. Because all I did today was eat some Skittles.
Quite the riddle. Not even a little kittle diddle?
I would never diddle a little kittle's tittle.
This investigation's not over. You didn't even do it a little? Touching some kittles?
Because I would never touch a little kittle's Skittles.
This investigation ain't over. You're right in the middle.
Alright, this is, if you just minus the first two letters of Kevin's name, then it'll just be the same name show. Vin and Vin show.
Kevin and Vin show.
Minus the K-E for me.
This sucks.
Uh-huh.
I think, you know what I think? Right. I know since Mom left, it's been pretty hard. Usually, the father figure, I would say I'm not usually emotionally well adjusted to handle this.
I wonder how seriously you took it.
Ooh.
Fuck you, Dad. Wait. It should break into a song at some point, so I'm like, so... And it's like, come sail away.
Not the